Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Dart, and if you guys have problems with your door locks, power locks, central locking system guys, stay with us and we'll explain which fuse you need to check guys. Quick introduction, we guys have more than 200 videos on this generation Dodge Dart and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys you will find the information helpful and we'll be able to save you money. Another thing guys, we have a link in the description of the video below that you can buy car parts, tools, pretty much anything for really good price, fast shipping, so take advantage, you can save even more money that way. I'll go ahead, open the hood guys, and I'm going to explain a few things now and where that fuse for the central locking system is located. You have 3 different fuse boxes in your Dodge Dart guys. So we're going to start with the one that's under the hood, but now if your door locks do not work guys, okay, if the door locks do not work from the inside of the car as well, we'll explain which fuse you need to check. So first you have guys one fuse box right here, you can see. So we have to do, press in, pull it up, okay, and this is right here guys, this is the fuse box as you can see, but we don't have a fuse there guys, the fuse is somewhere else. Now the door locks guys, you have another switch on the inside that locks and unlocks the doors, and if it doesn't work, okay, it could be a bad switch, it could be a few other things, but check the fuse first guys, because that's the simple thing that you can do and figure out if you need to do anything else. So as you can see guys, we removed that cover right here under the steering wheel. Why? Because you have 2 more fuse boxes, one is right there and one is, okay, you can kind of see back there. So the other one you access it from underneath, but this one, the BCM, you access it from here, so you have to remove that cover. We have the video on the channel that explains guys how to do that. Just search for fuse box location on Dodge Dart guys. So now we're going to pull those wires to the side a little bit, okay, just like that. Let me pull them to the side. And if you're guys on the market for good replacement fuses for a super good price, okay, check out, we'll have the link in the description of the video below. Comes with a free fuse puller, so really great deal guys. The fuse that we're looking at, it's a 20 amp fuse guys, 20 amp fuse, and it's the first fuse. Okay, let me see if I can point from here. It's actually the first fuse on the bottom in the middle row. Okay, this fuse right there, the first 20 amp fuse. So let me install the fuse puller on it quick, okay, like that, so you can see which one it is. Okay, right there, I'm trying to focus a little bit, perfect. So now I'll just go ahead and pull it out guys. Go ahead, pull it out. Now we almost had it. Let me reposition a little bit. It's a little bit of okay, perfect. You can see guys, the fuse is out. Now what do we need to do after that guys? All we have to do, just grab a new fuse guys. Okay, grab a new fuse and we're going to install it. Okay, the same way we removed it, just find the hole and install the fuse guys. I couldn't push it all the way in, so let me go ahead and get another one. I dropped this one and we'll just go ahead and push it in somehow. Such a limited room. Whoever put that fuse box there, I don't think they were planning on replacing any of the fuses. And it's over guys, it's done. So this is guys the fuse. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Now let's see, locks work, everything works as it should. So thank you for watching, please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.